In automotive electronics, we often need a programmer to read the data. VVDIProg is the perfect choice. It's pretty easy to use. This tool can perform BMW IMO cloning, ISM and Mercedes DSM clones, Mercedes EISC EasyS clone, read EPROMs, Porsche rear BCM clone. Today we will show you how to repair Porsche 12 volts lithium battery. Pry the cover to remove it. Remove the covers from the two terminals. One red, one black on the battery head. There are two screws inside. Remove them. After removing the two terminal studs, use H-Izzle and a hammer to separate the cover. Do this all around the cover. Now we've disassembled the battery without damage. Maintenance of this battery is also very simple. Let's disassemble it. There are two main things we need to do. Charge the lithium battery. This is step 1 to 13.2 V. So what's the most critical step? We need to replace the data in the BMS CPU. The issue is data corruption. This happens when the voltage is too low, or there's an external short circuit with excessive current. So BMS acts as a protection. It uses a relay contactor too. Disconnect the positive terminal of the battery. To fix this, we just need to replace the CPU data in the BMS. Once we remove the BMS module from the battery, take a look at this chip. It's a Freescale chip. We need to replace its data now. Today we'll use the VVDI to flash it. Okay, let's check the software. This is what it looks like. Click on lithium battery module in the software. As you can see here, there's a clear wiring diagram. Just follow the instructions. Soldering the adapter wires. Soldering the adapter wires according to the color codes shown. Just soldering the wire in place, and then we can proceed to the next step. Add some solder to it, so it's easier to solder it. Once the wires are connected, the device will remind us to power the module. First, check the wires. The second one is the ground wire. Connect an external power supply to it. And the sixth wire is the VCC. Great! So the connection is complete. Once we've connected the wires, according to the diagram, now we just need to flash these to data values on the chip. DFLASH and CFLASH. The rest can be ignored. Let's first read the DFLASH EEPROM data. Read the original module data and save it. Here, confirm the chip model and wiring. Just click yes. The reading is successful. Save the file and name it whatever you like. After reading DFLASH, we'll read the CFLASH actual flash data. The operation is the same. Just click read. The data readings may take a while. Please be patient. Once done, you can contact us to receive fixed files to write. How to write the files? For DFLASH, open the DFLASH data file and use the same method to replace the CFLASH. Then reconnect BMS on battery once it is charged to 13.2 volts and job is complete.